Jesus, I understand that the homeowner can grant access to me through the app, but what if they haven't got to it yet, they haven't quite done it, and I need to get access to this controller? I show up, I want to make a change to the schedule or manual water. Can I still access the controller?
Yes, you can. You could actually access it through guest mode. As you can see the light right now, the status is green. That means it's connected to the homeowner's Wi-Fi. But if we click this button, now it's going to give us access through guest mode so we can connect to the controller. And I'm going to show you how. You're going to open up the app and you're going to add your controller. So you could see the RC2 is an option. We're going to go ahead and click on the RC2 option. And the status light is flashing red and green. We're going to click on flashing red and green option and click on next and join the network. Now it's accessing the controller. After it goes through all the security checks, now we are connected to the controller. Now you could actually make manual runs, change your scheduling times, and make any changes you like to.
That's great.
One thing you cannot do through access mode is change Wi-Fi settings and password. So you can see, if I click on try to change Wi-Fi settings and passwords, I get this controller settings notification that I cannot access it.
That makes sense. So does that mean that every time I come, if I don't have access to the Wi-Fi, I have to run through that same steps?
No, you don't. Actually, I recommend you changing the name of the controller by clicking on the name and naming it something that you like. You're going to have that reference of the name, and you could just go back and it'll be there as an option when you're looking at the controller. What would you like it? Would you like the name to be?
For this purpose, put guest controller.
So we type in guest controller, we click on save. Now we're going to go back. And now your guest controller appears here. Every time you come to the owner's home, you're going to see this option. And you could see guest access underneath. So you're going to be able to reference that controller, and you're going to simply click on the controller to gain access easily. You don't have to go through those steps again.
Does that mean I have to be right in front of the controller to be able to access it?
You could actually move around within about 30 feet away from the controller. You could walk around the house, you could walk around the controller, and you'll still be connected. You don't need to be right next to the controller to make changes.
Okay, let's say I'm done now. I finished what I want to do. How do I return it to the original setting?
After you're done making the changes, you simply click on the status button. It connects back to the homeowner's Wi-Fi. And if you forget to hit this button, the RC2 will automatically connect to the homeowner's Wi-Fi after 20 minutes.
The guest mode is a great feature. Thanks so much for showing that to me.
Anytime. Thank you.